Okay, so this video is about how you can clean tapes. So we have a unit here which actually contains an 8-track player, also a cassette deck player. For the 8-track we have a cleaning tape here. For the cassette player we have like a cleaning tape here which has spinning brushes. We also have a head demagnetizer, and then we have a thing here where you apparently, and we can actually see that here, also can clean the head, and it reads magnetic tape eraser, cassette cartridge, reel to reel. Or you maybe could even erase a tape, which we are not going to do, but I assume the more I read it, because I just got there, you might, oh, actually when I push that button here, so you feel a humming thing inside here, so I guess some spools or coils are working, and then I guess you just go over your cassette here and then it would erase the cassette. So we are not going, well, we can try to do that. So let's just start with the tape cleaning process. So number one, we put in a reel to reel, then we switch to tape here. So what you hear, this device actually, or that tape cleaning thing, cartridge, it has to beep 3 times, and then apparently the heads are clean. So that's what you hear now. So you see it should be cleaned now. Now we take it out. I'm going to show you that again. So it's called a beeper cleaner tape head cleaning cartridge, and as you can see, it reads that the cleanup cartridge has to put in there and then remove after 3 beeps, approximately 10 seconds. So that's what we did. That's actually how that tape looks like. And now we should have good sound. So that's an 8-track cartridge. Just for comparison to an audio cassette. So you see an 8-track cartridge, it's quite a big difference in size, as you can see here. But anyways, let's just put that in and see how it sounds. It sounds good, but the funny thing is the motor of the 8-track, it's pretty loud, and it appears that we have been at the end of a track. Okie dokie. Sounds pretty good. And we're gonna stop that. Next thing we want to do, we want to clean the tape deck. So let's just try this one. Put it in there, and then just fast forward. So you see it's spinning quite fast here. And that should be good. And what you see, it actually has just here some pads which are like felt, and then here on the inside you see it has these rotating brushes, right? So that's a mechanical cleaning of the tape. And next thing we want to do, it's called the head demagnetizer. And you actually, so I don't have a battery, you actually just put it in there, and once it's in there, it does its job. Now what we are going to do, since I have a tape which we don't need anymore, let's just check if we could demagnetize this one. So put that tape in, let's play it for a few seconds. Okay, so you hear the sound. And now let's just see what happens if we put that thing here. If we can actually demagnetize it. Maybe we put it here as well. Honestly, it's not making that humming sound sensation as it did before, but let's just see what happens. Well, that does not sound demagnetized to me at all. Let's just try it again. Oh, it's humming now. You hardly can hear it, but I feel it now. Yeah, it's quite a... Actually stings a little bit. Now let's just... Alrighty. So either that device is not working or we used it wrong, but honestly there's just that button you can press and it reads cassette cartridge reel to reel, and it says intermittent duty 1 minute to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes it turns itself off. However, I just saw it. I'm gonna show you that. If it's working or not, I cannot tell, to be honest. I guess it's not working, but at least we have cleaned the tape and it should sound good. So what you hear, it takes a while to spin and then the sound comes on. And if you're interested about this device here, I'll put the description of this device in the link below or in the description. Let's just see what, so a tape normal, what kind of tape do we have here? Doesn't say anything, so I guess normal would be fine. And yeah, there you have it. So these are the different methods you can actually clean your tape. It's either this mechanical one with the brushes, or a head demagnetizer, or like we have here, again, this cartridge. And this cartridge here, actually, you see, I guess it does the same like the brushes would actually do.